Yep.
Oh, wow, okay. Nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, I see it. You used to be able to see in.
Yeah, see it, and then I'm before it.
Really? Okay. Nice. No door?
No door handle. Poppers.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
It just pops it open when I got the key in.
That's pretty cool. You have an upgraded alternator too, I can see?
Yeah, a 350 Illis. A 350 Illis alternator.
Okay. Do you want me to climb all the way over?
No, you can sit right there.
Just right here, okay.
Right there.
Oh, you removed your extra steering wheel too?
Yeah, it gives people more room to get in there.
Yeah, man. I like it. So what all's in here first?
4 XV3 Sundown 12s.
Okay.
I got the red 8-layer coil, red progressive spider. They're all rebuilt by Dave Lee.
Okay.
And I got
Nice.
4 of those on 2 solid AKs.
You got something inside of here.
Oh yeah, it came out of the damn.
It's
Good
sucking,
looking
it's pressure sucking the box in.
Yeah.
You got any LEDs in there yet?
No, I don't.
It's all
I
good?
did everything no LEDs this time.
It's all good.
It's more for competition.
It looks good.
Thank you.
I like it.
I appreciate it.
And it looks like a really deep box. Really deep box.
Designed by Joel.
Okay.
Industries.
Yep. Very nice. And what is your tuning on this port? And
23 to 43, I think it is.
a good bandwidth.
Yeah.
How's your SPL score?
I do a 157.27.
Really?
And I haven't metered since I beat them up, and everything's turned down a little bit right now until I break them all in.
Okay.
So I'm hoping for a 158.
Got it.
You don't believe it, like Nick, if you don't remember last time, not too much, you do so many builds, but
I remember.
it's definitely loud.
Yeah, you used to have an amp right here. Well, same vehicle though, right?
Yeah, behind here. Yep, it was behind the seat. I had the 15K.
Yep.
And then I put everything in the back because I kept on having problems with the vibration and stuff.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Well, you got a really long bass knob so you can stand out.
Yeah.
And it
I do that so I can give good demos.
And it controls your RCA for your head unit.
Correct.
For both speaker and bass.
Yes. Yep.
That's smart.
Yeah. So that's why I ain't got to mess with the.
Is there a way I
radio
can
at
pull
all.
this up real quick?
Yep.
I'll let you do it. Control it. Nice. That's a little better. Very nice. Yeah, you've got something sucked in all the way in the back.
What? You got something back there too?
It's just a piece of fabric.
There was an orange bag. It must be coming out of
That's
the
what
wall.
it is.
Yeah. It's
Wow.
the orange bag?
Yeah.
Oh no.
So is this a 4th order or 6th?
6th order.
6th. I was trying to I see that. I see the back port, but it's like really hard to see.
Yeah, it comes out, both sides here.
That looks really good, man.
Thank you.
Wow. That must have been a pain in the butt to, if you get something stuck in there, I don't know how you're going to get that out. Wow.
Is it all the way inside? Or
Yeah, all the way in the back. You'll have to look and see.
maybe I can bounce it out with the.
Yeah, with the bass pressure. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Miles system at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show in 2023. Give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Really fascinating to see how loud a single cab truck can get. This is the thumbnail of his previous system. I went ahead and put that in the description if you want to see it. But the way he has his actual amplifiers mounted is really smart with the two 8Ks. And if you notice the way the box layout is with the subs mounted regular, with a really unique style 6th order enclosure. There is actually a back port for this, making it a 6th order, so there's a slot in the back. It's kind of hard to get in there to get a camera shot, so I tried to get the best I could there. So, and also if you notice the way the actual box layout is, you can see in the back there is a little angle chamfer on each side of those chambers for those two 12-inch subs. So really good job building this box. Total is 16,000 watts on 4 12-inch subs and a truck blow-through demo we're getting to now. Welcome to my channel for daily car audio videos. Hit that subscribe button and enjoy.
All right, you're ready. I'm ready, man.
All right, I'm gonna turn it down.
Being in the driver's seat, getting a demo. Do you need me to rev it at all?
No, you're good.
Okay. Sure, man. It was sucking this in the port. Yeah.
We'll do one at 21.
That was really low. Well, you're down to 21.
Yeah.
So that was Lumix-Monster.
This was 23, yep.
Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. I like how your system, when you demo, you load off this door. Yes. You can feel all that wind pressure throwing right at the driver.
Yep, that's why I do the demos now on the driver's side.
And what is your tuning on this port? And
23 to 43, I think it is.
Oh, good bandwidth.
Yeah.
How's your SPL score?
I do a 157.27.
Really?
And I haven't metered since I beat them up, and everything's turned down a little bit right now until I break them all in.
Okay.
So I'm hoping for a 158.
Got it.
Whenever you're ready.
All right, I'm ready.
Beat steady, knock, middle of the stage, got the whole club rockin', nigga, you can hate, but your beat steady, watch, bitch, you can't do it on the dick, shake, pop it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.